Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at Central Sydney Terminal. Sitting between platforms 7 and 8 we have 726 closest to the camera and 661 for the other carriage. These carriages are from the Lithgow State Mine Railway. They ran a special service from Lithgow to Central via Olympic Park called the Vivid Express for the Vivid Festival 2016. These two cars will be waiting between platforms 7 and 8 until approximately 8:30 or 9 o'clock tonight to take the customers travelling from the Vivid Festival at Circular Quay back to Lithgow. So these carriages will leave here and then arrive onto platform 1, 2 or 3 and they'll go from there. These two carriages were destined to go to Byron Bay to run one of the restored rail lines up there permanently, but it doesn't look like these two cars will be doing that at this stage. Seemingly another two carriages will be restored and they'll run up there. It's just going to go up the track a bit, cross over and come into platform 8, which is the platform I'm standing on. (661) and 726 now arriving into platform number 8.
Then all stations to Wyong, then all stations to Broadmeadow and then Hamilton. Change at Hamilton for a connecting bus.
726 and 661 will be shortly departing platform 8 for a Lithgow service, stopping first at Springwood, then Katoomba and Lithgow. Half an hour late, the train is finally departing. Alrighty guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video. Thank you all for watching and goodbye for now.
The train on platform 9 goes to